How does temperature affect the performance of solar panels and what measures can be taken to mitigate this? Temperature can have a significant impact on the performance of solar panels, and it's important to understand how it affects solar panel performance and what measures can be taken to mitigate this. In this video, we will discuss how temperature affects the performance of solar panels and what measures can be taken to mitigate this, with a focus on solar panel companies like Jaysis and approach. Solar panels are designed to convert sunlight into electricity, but the performance of the solar panels can be affected by temperature. As the temperature of the solar panels increases, the efficiency of the solar cells decreases. This is because the higher temperature causes the electrons in the solar cells to move more quickly, which can result in a loss of energy. One way to mitigate the effects of temperature on solar panel performance is to use solar panels that are designed to operate in high temperature environments. These solar panels are typically constructed with materials that have a lower thermal coefficient of expansion, which allows them to expand and contract less as the temperature changes. This can help to reduce the effects of temperature on the performance of the solar panels. Another way to mitigate the effects of temperature on solar panel performance is to use cooling systems. These systems can be used to cool the solar panels and reduce the temperature of the solar cells. This can help to improve the efficiency of the solar panels and increase the amount of electricity that is generated. Solar panel companies like Jaysis take a comprehensive approach to mitigate the effect of temperature on solar panels. Jaysis conducts a detailed assessment of the location and environmental conditions, ensuring that right combination of solar panels and cooling systems is chosen to meet the specific needs of location. Jaysis also provides a complete solution that includes the design, installation, and maintenance of the energy system. Jaysis uses high-quality solar panels that are designed to operate in high-temperature environments and employ cooling systems to keep the solar panels at optimal temperature. By working with a reputable solar panel company like Jaysis, you can ensure that your solar panel system continues to provide clean and renewable energy even in high-temperature environments.